In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the new Adobe Acrobat Reader layout and get your old Adobe Acrobat layout back. If you've recently updated your Adobe Acrobat Reader and found yourself feeling a bit lost with the new layout, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of reverting back to the familiar look you know and love. Let's dive right in. So, the first thing you need to do is open up your Adobe Acrobat Reader. You'll notice a menu right at the top left corner of your screen. This menu is crucial because it acts as your gateway to adjusting various settings within the application. Take a moment to locate it. Once you've found the menu, give it a click. The next thing you'll want to do is look for an option labeled Disable New Acrobat. This option is designed to quickly revert the application to its previous style. When you click on it, it may take a moment for the change to take effect, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. After you click Disable New Acrobat, a dialog box will promptly appear. This box is basically asking for your permission and confirming whether you're ready for Adobe Acrobat to restart with the old layout. Here, it's important to go ahead and click on Restart. By doing so, you're allowing the software to refresh and render the former interface style. Keep in mind that restarting the application is necessary for these changes to be fully implemented, so be sure to save any work you might have open in other tabs or documents. As Acrobat reloads, give it a moment to reboot. When it opens again, you'll notice that the layout has switched back to the classic version you were used to. This should make navigation and usage much more comfortable, especially if you didn't quite take to the updates in the newer version. Remember, this process is entirely reversible. If at any point you decide you'd like to give the new layout another try, you can always enable it again through the same menu and follow the instructions to restart once more. That wraps up our tutorial on how to disable the new Adobe Acrobat Reader layout and retrieve the old interface. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. With just these few easy steps, you can enjoy a user experience that suits your personal preference best. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy reading.